Guys, big news. Today, I'm going to show you how to prepare for the massive airdrop from Hamster Kombat, where you could get at least $1,000 or maybe even more. But that's not all. I'll also reveal that Hamster coins already have their own rate, and you can sell and withdraw them. Yep, you heard that right. The rate of these coins has been going up, and I've got some fascinating data to share with you about it. We'll look at a detailed table showing how many coins we'll get and what the general outlook is for users. Trust me, this is valuable information you don't want to miss. So we'll dive in without wasting time. Let's start with the listing. This is the moment when Hamster coins will be turned into real cryptocurrency, and we will be able to sell them or withdraw. Remind you that not too long ago, we all got Notcoin airdrop by just tapping, and then after listing, all their coins turned into a real cryptocurrency that we all exchanged for money. Now, my 450,000 Not coins are worth $6,000, as you guys can see. But the big question is, will Hamster Kombat have the same success? Let's get into it, and I'd like to inform you that today there will be a lot of useful information that you didn't know about, so just subscribe to the channel and let's get started. Originally, the developers of this project promised a listing in May. However, they've recently updated their plans, pushing the listing to July. This update is available on their official website. In July, we can expect a TG token generation event, where they'll create a token for the coins we've been earning in the bot by tapping. Now, whether this listing happens in July or gets postponed again is still up in the air. But I believe it will proceed as planned because an airdrop is coming soon. This means a distribution of coins in the form of real money. We might get these coins in our wallets, or they might come as another cryptocurrency. Typically, other crypto projects distribute money for performing specific tasks before listing to generate audience interest. Hamster Kombat will likely follow this trend. So, let me show you how to prepare for the airdrop and the upcoming listing, ensuring you don't miss out on this potential money. Making opportunity? Here, I'm sure each of you will also earn, but most likely the amount will be smaller because now Hamster has more than 150 million users. Let me show you how to prepare for the airdrop here. To prepare for this giveaway, you need to connect your Ton wallet. If you don't know Ton, this is the official cryptocurrency of Telegram, and it is already known that the Hamster coin will be created on the Ton blockchain, which is based on the Ton cryptocurrency. Most likely, we will get these coins from an airdrop on this Ton wallet, which you connect right in this section. If you don't have a Ton wallet yet, just run the official Telegram wallet bot and create a wallet here. The link to this wallet will be under the video. After that, go back to Hamster Kombat, click Connect Your Ton Wallet, and here connect your Ton wallet and open a wallet in the Telegram bot. Click here, and after that, click Connect Wallet. Wait a little bit, and that's it. It is done. Also, you can use any one of these other wallets. This is absolutely the same as a Telegram internal wallet, but only to create these wallets, you need to download their application from Google Play. The developers also say that during the distribution, they will take into account not only your income per hour, but also a lot of other indicators. I guess most likely one of the indicators is your league or your level. To move to the next one, you need to accumulate a certain amount on your main balance at least once. For example, to get to Master League, you need to earn 50 million coins, and then you can spend them immediately and you will still remain in this league. I think these leagues are really important because in Notcoin for the highest league, if I'm not mistaken, it's called Diamond League or something like this. Many users got a lot of bonuses during the listing. As you can see, I recently reached the maximum Lord League, so you can congratulate me if you want. I hope the developers won't add another league. Also, don't miss the combo sets that you can collect here every day, and also the cipher that they give collect in this section every day. Don't forget to do all these small tasks that appear here practically every day. I'm sure it will add a lot of coins during the airdrop. I also advise you to invite referrals. But what will be the rate of these coins on the listing? And how much will we get in the airdrop? This is still unknown, but recently a Hamster coin appeared in the Mitten wallet. That's exactly what the developers plan to name their token. It spells Hamst, and you can already buy and sell these tokens right in this wallet. It even has its own rate, as you can see. You ask me, what the hell is this? No, guys, it is really not a joke. Everything I've told you before doesn't matter, because the listing has already been... Goodbye. Okay, seriously, this hamster token has been in this wallet for a long time, and it has nothing to do with the official Hamster Kombat. So, it is just a token with the same name that was launched a long time ago by someone else. This token isn't on crypto exchanges. It can be found only in the Myton wallet. I will leave the link to this wallet under the video. Download it, create a wallet here, then click Settings, then Assets and Activity, and here we click Add Token. In the search line, write Hamster, click on it, and just turn it on here. I'm not encouraging you to buy or sell this token because, again, it has nothing to do with real Hamster Kombat coins that will be available in the near future. But let's just assume, what if the real coins of the official Hamster Kombat will have the same rate like these coins, 0.4? Now I have a passive income of 1.3 million coins per hour. The developers of Hamster say that this is the main indicator, so multiply 1.3 million coins per hour by 0.4, and it turns out that now I have $544 on my balance. I would like to believe it because this is really good money for such simple actions, just for clicks. But so far, it is just a coincidence. There is only one fact that confuses me here. Hamster Kombat bot appeared in Telegram on March 26, and this token, as you can see, appeared in this wallet on March 29. Maybe it is not a coincidence. Write in the comments what you think about it. Here is what is definitely not a coincidence. This is such a table. It shows how the real tokens of the official Hamster will be distributed after the listing. This table was published back in May in the Binx Exchange Partner chat. BingX is the first crypto exchange that has partnered with Hamster Kombat bot, and the listing 100 will be in the first place right here. I advise you to register on it in advance. In addition, here, you don't need to pass verification to trade. The link to this crypto exchange will be under the video, and this link will be with a bonus. This exchange presented the tokenomics of this project. It shows who will get how many tokens after the listing of Hamster Kombat. This information is primarily important for investors as they invest in the project and should understand what to expect from. I've already dropped this trick on my Telegram channel since, and my members are already enjoying it because it's much easier for me to quickly drop cheats and money-making stuffs on my Telegram channel rather than making a video to be posted here. And the thing is, it's only in this group that you'll get to chat with me personally and ask questions. So if you're not already in this Telegram group, you should hurry to with the link I'll provide in this video description and also pin in the comment section. With that being said, I need to let you guys know that it's not only Hamster Kombat that can make us money. As a matter of fact, there are other, more significant Telegram mining projects that are even better than Hamster due to their heavy financial backing. So, I'll drop a link to the top 6 of these Telegram projects that I think you guys shouldn't miss in this video's description, and also pin it in the comment section. Therefore, please do not ignore any of those projects. Like and subscribe if you enjoy this.